What's going on, everybody? Evan here from Care Auto Spa, and today we're going and doing a mobile detail on some jet skis down in Lavallette Beach, New Jersey. We're stacking up the truck right now with all of our gear, so let me show you what we're bringing with us. Chris is stocking up all of the gear right now. What are we bringing today with us, Chris?
Some polishers, some products, some chemicals, towels, pads, so, it's everything basically.
Awesome, yeah. Whatever we need to get the job done right. We're gonna pack the truck up, get on the road, and head on down there. Just arrived here at the customer's house. We got some jet skis to unwrap and clean up, so we're gonna get right into it. Next up is a light paint correction on these jet skis. Thanks for watching with us, everybody. If you're in the New Jersey area and you have any marine aquatic vehicles that you would like detailed, definitely tap the link below and give us a call. We would love to detail your vehicle. So take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.